Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by fully powering off the PC and disconnecting power and all peripherals. Open the case and check the Wi-Fi card seating in the PCIe slot and antenna connections. Confirm antennas are attached and oriented vertically, and use the rear I/O panel connector if present. Inspect for visible damage, dust, or loose cables, and clean contacts with compressed air. Reassemble and power on to see if the wireless adapter is detected by the BIOS. If the adapter is missing, reseat or test a different slot or known working card. Boot into Windows and open Device Manager to check the network adapter status quickly. If you see an exclamation icon, right-click the device and choose Update Driver. Download the latest Intel or Realtek driver from Asus support matching your motherboard model. Prefer the INF installer or driver package version 30. 0 for adapters released after 2020. Also update the motherboard BIOS to a stable build like BIOS 3202 to improve compatibility. Reboot and use the Asus Networking Diagnostic app or ipconfig and ping commands to isolate network issues. Reset the TCP/IP stack and WinSock using 2 commands in Admin PowerShell or CMD. If problems persist, disable power-saving options for the wireless adapter in Device Manager. Test with a USB Wi-Fi adapter to determine if the onboard card is defective or incompatible. As a last resort, request an RMA from Asus if the card failed hardware diagnostics under warranty. Document serial numbers, BIOS version, driver versions, and the failure steps before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.